Nathan Orth.
I'll make this thing a little taller. Good evening, Mayor Farrell and Council. My name is Nathan Orth, and I'm a resident of Federal Way. Last year, a tattoo artist who works in Walla Walla filed public records requests for the ALPR, aka flock photos and data of about 50 public agencies across Washington. He ended up suing 10 cities, including Sedro-Woolley and Stanwood, whom didn't provide their images and data after his public records requests. November 6, the Skagit County Superior Court ruled on that case. The specific conclusions of the case were flock images generated by the flock cameras located in Stanwood and Sedro-Woolley are public records under the Washington State Public Records Act. The flock camera images generated by the flock camera located in the cities of Stanwood and Sedro-Woolley are not exempt from disclosure under RCW 4256-240. The flock camera images generated by flock cameras located in the cities of Stanwood and Sedro-Woolley are not exempt under RCW 4256-540. An agency does not have to possess a record for that record to be subject to the Public Records Act. And finally, flock camera images are created and used to further a governmental purpose. The flock images created by the cameras located in Stanwood and Sedro-Woolley were paid for by Stanwood and Sedro-Woolley and generated for the benefit of Stanwood and Sedro-Woolley. So, RCW 4256-540 is short and general. It states that agencies can request a court block access to public records. Basically, it says, letting the public see the record would clearly not benefit the public, and it would cause serious and permanent harm either to a person or to essential governmental operations. RCW 4256-240 is a long list of specific exemptions where records cannot be disclosed. It includes things such as active investigations, names, and identifying details of victims and witnesses, that sort of thing. When body-worn cameras were introduced, a large and detailed section was added to the law to ensure the expanded scope of surveillance was explicitly addressed and restrained. Body-worn camera footage can be withheld or redacted when it would invade privacy, including footage showing the following: medical treatment or health information, inside of homes, minors, intimate images, dead bodies, domestic violence or sexual assault victims, shelters and domestic violence program locations. No comparable technology-specific exemptions for any of those exact same things exist if they are captured on video either by drone or flock camera. The scope introduced by these technologies far exceeds that introduced by body cams, and as of yet, that scope is not addressed in any way by the law. We are getting over our skis and allowing Federal Way to be a testing ground for unproven and unrestrained technologies. Please consider saying no to the drones and reconsider the flock cameras until the state can put serious guardrails in place. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, do we have Mar back on?